What's the meaning of boa? Boa. Boa.
Boa. Boa. Boa is a type of non-venomous snake that is known for its large size and length. These snakes are typically found in tropical regions and are popular in the pet trade due to their docile nature and unique appearance. Boas are constrictors, meaning they kill their prey by suffocating it rather than using venom. The name boa comes from the Latin word boa, which means serpent or large snake. Overall, boas are fascinating creatures that have captured the attention of both herpetologists and hobbyists alike.